Let's take a quick tour of your Apple developer account and explore each and everything that Apple developer account that provide, from analytics to developer tools. So let's get started the video. So first of all, you have to open your any browser and you have to type appstoreconnect.apple.com. You have to click on that one. Here you will see your Apple developer account. So first of all, this is apps. Whenever you click on the apps section, in this section your all app will be displayed here. As for iPhone app, for iPad app, for MacBooks, all will be displayed here. You can see the all apps here. Next one is analytics. You can scroll from over there. You can just go back and you can click on analytics and we will open the analytics page. For now, this is a new app, so there is no analytics of this app. If you want, if you have an old app, you can just click on this option or this date and you can just go back into the range or preset in last 30 days, last 90 days, how many install your app has been downloaded. Next option we have is sales and trends. I will click on that option. In this option you will be, if you are offering in-app purchases, this option is for you. Here you will see how many units of premium packages you have sales, how many top apps, all the details of the top apps related to your app will be displayed here. So this one is for paid apps. I will also explain in details with some of the apps that has been already in sale. So right now ignore this one. We will explore this option at the end of the course. Next option we have is payments and financial reports. I will click on that option. Here you will see all your financial reports, like how many money your app has been earned and how many payment are in clearing, how many payment has been cleared in this month. You can switch from over there, like in December your app has been earned $200 like this. So this option is for financial reports and the payment output reports. Next option we have is business. In business option you will see all the new agreement that you have to accept, all the bank details, the bank account that you have already added, and each and everything will be displayed here. So I have blurred my some of the detail because this detail is secret and confidential. So all the details, compliances, your bank account that has you have been added to get the payouts from paid apps will be displayed here, and you can add your bank account or you can remove or you can accept the term and condition. Right now you will see there is a paid agreement that has been left. So I will just click on this option and I'm unable to accept the access because right now I don't have a full access, or because only owner account can accept this agreement. So let's move to the next option. Next option we have is user and access. In user and access section you can just give access to the members of your account, like account holder, admin, finance, access report, sales, developer, app manager, customer support and marketing. You can add user by clicking on plus icon. Just let this cancel, then you have to click on plus icon and from there you can just add the user as an admin, sale manager or something like that. This is for the access to manage the app. So that's it. This is a short overview of Apple developer account. Hope you will find understand this video. Maybe you know better than me, but this is for someone who is new in this field. So thanks for watching. Hopefully let's meet in the next video.